Guys, if you're wondering why every tech creator is in Phuket right now, this is it. A lot of people keep looking to buy new phones or maybe upgrade your existing ones, right? But with so many options available in the market, it can actually be confusing. That is why Flipkart is hosting this event, India's favorite smartphones, where they'll be awarding the best smartphones across different categories, which makes it very easier for all the consumers to buy depending on their requirements. Because when it comes to smartphones in India, Flipkart is not just a platform, it's the destination. In fact, if you don't know, every 1 in 3 smartphones sold, right, is from Flipkart. So Flipkart went all out and actually flew us down to Phuket for this event, and the cool part is not just me but the entire tech industry was here, around 300 to 350 people, all your favorite creators at one place. We had a great time catching up with fellow creators, and not just from tech but from other categories as well, fashion, travel, vlogging and much more. Event was done on a grand scale, guys. I mean, look at this, from futuristic entry tunnels to immersive AI zones. It was like a full blown tech experience is what I can say. They had fun interaction booths like AI photo booth, neuro football zone was also there, and we definitely had a good time interacting at these places. And finally came the awards time.
India's favorite smartphone awards, powered by Flipkart.
As I've told you at the beginning, some of the best smartphones were awarded almost across 40 different categories, like the best camera phone in budget price segment or maybe in the price range from 20 to 30k, best gaming phone in 30 to 40k segment, best all-rounder phone, and many more different categories, all chosen by the Voice of India. I had a super fun time till the end. Now moving on, they also had like multiple booths set up by different brands, and see, whenever you're buying a phone, I'm pretty sure the first feature you guys check for is camera, right? Well, Vivo had something crazy at their booth. Their top class camera phones, the vivo X200T and also the much awaited X300 Ultra. I was super excited about the X300 Ultra because it was like an exclusive hands-on and very first look at the phone before even the launch in India. Vivo's X200T is a beautiful phone, guys. I mean, just check it out. Comes with a 6.67 inches Zeiss master color display with up to 120Hz high refresh rate. It's a well-built phone. You're also getting IP68 and 69 rating as well, powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 plus chipset and 12 gigs of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM. Can easily handle your day-to-day requirements and office productivity works also. Coming to cameras, X200T features their triple 50 megapixel Zeiss cameras, that too with T-star coating and also optical image stabilization that can click great pictures and also videos. Not to miss out, on board you're getting a 6200 mAh big battery with up to 90 watt flash charge support. Keeping the X200T aside, what really caught my eye at their booth was the X300 Ultra. I've told you, right? This is Vivo's true flagship camera phone featuring Zeiss triple camera setup. In fact, at the booth, they also had the full photography kit displayed, which comes with additional accessories like a phone case, lens adapter, a camera-like grip for pro-level customizations and controls, and even includes a 200mm and 400mm Zeiss telephoto lens for pro-grade results. And with all the accessories attached, it was looking more like a pro-grade camera than a phone. The primary 200 megapixel camera features one of the largest image sensors and offers gimbal-like stabilization and also 60 fps AF tracking. I spent some time over there playing with the phone, clicking random pictures, and especially with the 400mm lens attached, and was blown away by the results. Not just photos, it's also capable of shooting cinematic videos, that too at 4K 120 fps in 10-bit 422 log format. All of this powered by Snapdragon's 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset and a 6600 mAh big battery. See, if you're looking for a no compromise camera phone, right, then this might be the one for you. Guys, definitely stay tuned. I'll try to get my hands on this back at my studio and make a special unboxing and review video on it. Well, that is pretty much it. This is what I wanted to show you all in today's video, and props to Flipkart for pulling off something like this at a grand scale. Easily one of the biggest smartphone events that has happened in the recent times. What do you people think? Definitely share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.